You likely use your laundry hamper daily, but is your current one the best hamper for you and your family's needs? When searching for a laundry hamper that's right for you, you'll want to consider size and capacity, whether it has single or multiple sorting compartments, and portability. If your hamper stays on display in a bedroom or bathroom, you'll also want to look for one that's not an eyesore. We scoured the web for the best hampers on the market, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Our favorite hamper, the Seville Classic Handwoven Double Laundry Hamper, has 2 compartments, a lid, removable liners, and it's handwoven. Here, the best hampers for your home and stashing your dirty laundry in style. Number 1. Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper. This lightweight hamper opens easily to hold a full load of laundry. It is constructed from mesh material. This permits air to circulate throughout the hamper, eliminating moisture and typical laundry hamper odors. 2 sturdy handles at the top of the hamper make it easy to carry in one hand, allowing you to carry along your detergent or other needed items as well. No need to figure out where to store a bulky laundry basket. This hamper folds flat. The frame on this hamper is flexible, so you can fold it flat for convenient storage when it's not needed. This foldable feature makes it particularly useful for college dorms, camping, traveling, small apartments, or anywhere space is limited. This mesh bag is also ideal to take along as a beach bag to hold your beach towels and toys. The sand will slip through the mesh, so you won't find yourself taking the sand home along with you. The mesh foldable pop-up hamper measures 14 inches by 24 inches. It is available in the following colors: black, white, red, and navy blue. Number 2. Carries Collapsible Tall Slim Laundry Hamper. If you're hoping to stash a hamper in a closet or small bathroom, this tall, slim hamper on wheels is an excellent option. Just roll it into any narrow space you've got, such as inside a closet or behind a dresser or door. At 16 by 8.7 by 28 inches, this slim hamper will easily fit in a variety of spots while still holding a full load of laundry. This hamper comes with a removable machine washable mesh liner, so you can pop it out on laundry day. You also have the option to roll it to your laundry room, since it's also equipped with large wheels and a safety brake to ensure it rolls steadily to the washing machine and stays in place. If you're looking to save even more space, the hamper can be flattened when not in use. Single compartments. 16.15 by 8.66 by 27.56 inches dimensions. Nylon exterior and mesh liner materials. Gray, beige, black color. Carrying with handles. Easy to assemble. Breathable design. Comes with wheels and removable liner. Number 3. Sterilite UltraWheeled Hamper. Laundry hampers offer a range of features that help ease the burdens associated with laundry. All Sterilite H hampers feature a contemporary design, durable construction, and slim profiles for efficient use of floor space. Ventilated bases allow for airflow, wide openings provide easy access to clothing inside, and lids help to contain and conceal contents neatly. Sterilite's premium wheeled H hampers also include smooth gliding wheels and comfortable handles for ease in transporting clothes to and from the laundry room. Outside dimensions: 21 by 13.75 by 28.38. Made in the USA. Smooth gliding wheels. Number 4. Total Laundry Separation Basket. This smart laundry basket features a host of practical features that help make laundry day less of a chore. Beneath the lid it has 2 fabric tote bags, allowing you to separate washing into light and dark colored fabrics. Each bag has handles at the top, enabling you to conveniently lift and carry it straight to the machine, and a helper handle on the base to make emptying easier. When replacing each bag in the basket, there's no fiddly ties or buttons to do up either, as the self-locating rim ensures it drops perfectly back into place, ready for the next load. The stylish fabric exterior is designed to complement a range of interior styles and decors, making it perfect for storing in the bathroom, bedroom, or utility room. Available in 2 sizes and 2 colors, it comes flat-packed with full assembly instructions. Number 5. Organihos Cotton Rope Basket. 100% organic cotton. Finding the perfect balance between timeless beauty and household functionality isn't easy. That's why we've designed a beautiful range of rope storage baskets to keep your home looking plush and their things out of sight. The 20x13.3x XL rope basket hamper is perfect to tackle overflowing clothes piles. The 15x18 basket organizes all your odds and ends in seconds. You've got rebellious regrets or a disorganized partner. Collapsible large decorative baskets helps you relax, transforming mayhem into majestic in minutes. This super spacious tall cotton rope basket is perfect for tidying up in minutes, so those unexpected guests don't see your towels, bedding, toys, laundry, and pillows strewn about the floor. Your bedrooms, bathroom, and living rooms will be in perfect color-coordinated unison. Simply choose your style: farmhouse, bohemian, Scandinavian, rustic, or coastal. These decorative laundry baskets deliver. Durable and ultra-functional rope blanket foldable basket makes uncomfortable storage baskets a thing of the past, with large comfy handles that don't cut into your skin, and a 100% cotton weave. These are the thick, long-lasting, safely chemical and toxin-free sorting baskets you need. Your children will become adults long before your basket loses its contemporary style. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.